Hi guys, so I know I look so horrible right now, like I don't have any makeup on besides my eyelashes, but I just got a new wig in the mail from GODDESSWIGGIE. I love their hair so much. I already unboxed it because I could not wait to just take it out the minute I got it, but I wanted to do a little review on that. So when you open the box, it comes in a box like this, and please do not mind my broken nails. And they were really sweet and put some eyelashes in there, which I'm so happy. That's really nice. They're kind of short for me, but it's still nice if I want to wear it on a day where it's just casual for me. But I usually like long eyelashes, but it was still really nice. And then they put in, looks like a brown or nude wig cap, but they put it in there. And now the wig, it looks like this. The knots are all bleached just the way I like it. They customized and they customized it for me. See, what I could have did was tell them the measurements, but a medium wig cap just fits fine for me. I also told them like I wanted clips all around and like on the sides, and I also told them to sew an elastic band on for me. Now the wig is about like I think I paid $540 for this wig. It's 180 density. And it's 26 inches long, and it's like a silver white. Yeah, it's like a silver white. It probably has like a little hint of gray to it, but it's a silver white hair. And like they customized it, so I had baby hairs in it and they made the frontal for me. It's really nice, and it's a full lace wig. Okay, so I have another video of me explaining how to properly put a wig on in one of my other videos with the Got to Be Glue gel and the holding spray for it, but I just kind of want to make this video like a little quick because I really don't have time to show you how to put it all on. But I'm just going to show you really quickly how you would do it if you didn't want to use the Got to Be Glue gel. So I'm just going to tie my hair in like a little bun, or you can just, actually a braid would be so much better. So I'm just going to tie my hair into a braid, because if you actually put it in a bun, you don't want to see like the big bun in the back with the wig. So you could just do a little braid. But I actually like to do like 2 pigtails, and then I like to just put it back with the wig cap on. But just for this video, we're going to make it quick. So I'm just going to make one braid. Now we're going to put the wig cap on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure like this is a nude wig cap. Oh, I'm so excited to put this on. Oh, and it comes in like 2 of them, which is really nice. And yeah, the wig is like a little pricey, but I mean, like, if you want good quality hair, you should spend that money if you want something that's gonna last you really long. And like, this is honestly one of like the best hairs like that I bought from a company. This is my 3rd wig from them. Okay. So now we got our wig cap on, and usually what I like to do is just put it all the way down, because when I put my wig on, it kind of like slides it back, and then I move the wig cap on with it. You'll see what I mean once I do it. So I already cut around the lace, and I've started from the sides and went all the way around. If I still need to cut more, I will, but we're just gonna see how it looks for now. So what I'll do is I'll put like the front piece like this way towards me. And yeah, I know the tag is still on. And I'll push the wig cap back. And wow. Oh my god. Wow. This is so crazy. Look at the knots. It is bleached so nicely. It's customized so nicely. I obviously have to play with it around more first. Make sure that it's all blended nicely. So I think what I'm gonna do like later on is go back in and tweeze the hairline just to make it just like more customized to my liking. But they did a really nice job customizing it, but I still just want to tweeze it just a little bit more. But otherwise, I love this hair so much. I couldn't ask for anything more. It's amazing how I can buy hair like this without having to bleach my own hair, because I remember my hair used to be so fried and dead, and now my hair is so much more healthier. My curls are back. It's just really amazing, and I love this company. Oh my god, I am seriously loving this hair. Like new hair, who dis? So if you guys have any questions, any comments, please let me know, and thank you for watching. Bye.